Push Rod Fury. Okie dokie, it's ham can day. So the original airbox, missing its brackets, is hanging on the carburetor, which apparently, what I understand, is a common no-no. People remove the brackets and they'll literally try to suspend the airbox just off of the carburetor, and that stresses your intake ports. So we don't want to do that. We want to tie it into the actual cylinder head, which has this nice threaded hole here. That makes sense, but it's supposed to attach to both sides, and it's not clear, there's nowhere over here to bolt it to. So I'm not sure exactly what to do on that side, but at least I can attach it here to start and attach to the carburetor. So that's what we're going to do tonight. We only have a few minutes to get this done, but I think I'm all prepped up. I just put a new breather tube in here, and so I'm going to put the camera down and get started. So here we go. That part there, boom. See it? That hokey little contraption? Those are Harley Davidson parts. Picking that up, and then they come through here, right through there, right on, through here. So I gotta still get that aligned. If there's a gasket behind here with these 3 screws. Nothing too exciting yet, so I'm going to turn the camera off, get those fasteners all aligned, and then I'll be back. Okay, so we have that on, and again, these brackets are very difficult to find, and I'm sure I could have made one, but why not just use the stock one? That's what we've got there. Flat washer, a lock washer, and a lock nut. So let's see, that there, and this guy. Ooh. And this is kind of exciting because this bike was actually running, apparently was running without an air filter in it for a while. So, I mean, that's not going in. It's bolted right to the cylinder head. So now I will tighten up. You can't, I mean, I'm tightening screws, right? So no one's going to get mad at me for not seeing it or tightening bolts, but that's tight. And then this, you got to get in and do this guy in here. And I'm pretty stoked about this. I mean, it's on. There we go. So this is rock solid, bolted to the engine, right? We just need to get the trim on there and the filter. So let's do that really quick. All right, this new old stock gasket off of the old eBay. And then we'll put the filter in. But I want to get this on. Curious, like why someone would take it off in the first place. The gasket. Because the airbox was on the bike when I bought it. It wasn't attached properly. And, oh man. And it was missing this gasket. And thank God there are people that I guess bought up old Harley dealer stock or something over the years, and they had this. Look at that. You can never get these profiles right. Okay. Sounds like somebody's pretty excited to see their buddy. Find that part. Look at that. I think I meant it. Wow. This is what I'm so jazzed about. I like awesome vendors. There can't be this. There can't be $1 million that anyone's making off of these products, right? And this side out. Look at that. Look at that. I was worried about this hole. I didn't use that mounting hole, but the hole is on the outside of the filter, so I don't have to worry about plugging that hole up. And it's pre-oiled. This side out, the typeface is facing up. Like they thought through the thing. Like that's why I like K&N, they're thinkers. You know? Now, am I a thinker? Can I figure out how does this go? Like this? Like that? I really want this to go in. There we go. Okay. There we go. Ham can installed with a Canon air filter. Not so bad. It's got some fingerprints. Let's get rid of those real quick. See if that makes it look any better. I'm gonna have to auto saw that out of there. There we go. And I'm gonna use that Eastwood plastic restorer on this part because I don't think drab green decaying plastic is a good look. But and we're missing the, I think it's the 1000 cc plaque that goes right there. So, but there it is. All right, that's it. Ham can install, Canon air filter, done. Tune in next time. Hey, do me a favor. You like what you're seeing? Subscribe, notifications, tell your friends, leave a comment, whatever it may be. Appreciate it so much. I hope you're enjoying the series. Thanks.